everybody, I'm Denise, and I'm here to tell you about our upcoming Love Boat Disco fundraiser. Yes, fun indeed. Our last one was actually in February of 2020, and it has been a while, and it benefited the Canadian Cancer Society. Though we've been docked for a while, we are back with great excitement once again, with games and giveaways, prizes, surprises, DJ, and live music. I'm so excited to be performing, along with some very special guests who have a heart for funding with fun. So don't miss the boat. It will be held on Sunday, April the 24th from 2 to 6 in the afternoon, which is a great afternoon time slot. And here's the best part. Tickets are only $10. So all aboard, everyone, and bon voyage. Hey, you!